Hey guys, welcome to the garage. This is my 2023 CRF 250R, and you might notice a part missing, which is the water pump. So I just took the stock water pump and impeller off, and I wanted to show you why I go with the Boyesen Supercooler. Right, so check this out. So here are the two impellers. We'll start with those. This is the stock impeller, and this is the Boyesen Supercooler, right? I mean, you can tell the differences just in the how aggressive the Boyesen Supercooler is. It's got significantly larger impeller blades. All right, it's a drastic difference. All right. So I'm quite confident just in looking at that I'm going to have a lot more flow through this pump. But even as significant is the housings itself. Now here's the stock housing. You have to reuse the gasket when you put this on. But if you look at that hose outlet or inlet or whatever, you'll notice that the difference in those openings is substantial. Right, there's no doubt that this housing is a lot more efficient at flowing coolant, and even the where the outlet is here, where the hoses connect, even this looks thicker, like it's gonna flow more coolant. But I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you the difference in these pumps. Right, so that's the Boyesen Supercooler kit for a 2022-2023 Honda CRF250R or RX. But I highly recommend this setup. There's, like I said, no doubt in my mind that you're going to get a lot more flow. So that's what it looks like. Keep in mind also that the threads on this require you to, when you loosen it, you go clockwise instead of counterclockwise, so it's just the opposite. Just got to be careful with that, otherwise you could have a big problem when you take it off. But it comes off pretty easy. Just got to put the bike in gear so it doesn't just freewheel against the wrench and pull it off. But that's the difference. Tell me that you don't see a major advantage in cooling using the supercooler. So anyway, if you guys have any questions about the Boyesen Supercooler or the install or anything like that, just let me know. I'm going to put this baby back on, and it's part of my whole build, and hope that helps somebody.